Another service bulletin for you guys. It's the service safety recall fuse box may cause a no start or stall condition. This is going to show you how to fix the no start problem. I'm going to put a link in the description again, like I've done for the other service recalls and stuff like that for the car. I'm going to post a link in the description showing a link in the description. Once you click on the link in the description, you just download it and then click the download button again, and then it'll download and you'll be able to see the service bulletin, and this will show you how to fix it. This is the repair procedure, and in the link you'll be able to download it yourself. But remember, if you have a phone, just download PDF viewer and from the App Store or your iPhone or whatever, and it'll show the PDF file. So it'll show this. So this will view on your phone when you download it. Just download a PDF viewer. So just type in PDF viewer on your iPhone in the Google store or whatever, on your iPhone store, and it'll pull up a service bulletin. It'll pull up a PDF viewer. So when you do that, when you download these PDF files that I'm going to be uploading with the links in each description with each bulletin code, then you'll be able to download it and view it on your phone or your tablet or whatever device you use. But for the computers, it should have a PDF viewer that'll just pop up when you download this. This is going to be free to download. I'm not going to charge you guys or anything for this. This is a free download. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask, subscribe, and don't forget to like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.